Magnum 44 Twin Cat by Oxidine Marine. One mean, lean speed run machine.
Who's got the baddest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming Oxidine Marine. Who's got the strongest boats on the scene? It's got you screaming
Back in, full badassery. Ball bearing outdrives. Much different than the animal. Built to scale, push-pull, cable steering. So rad. CNC aluminum rudder. Side steering. Now here's something you don't see Bill Oxidine do very often. Hatch locks. The beauty of these hatch locks is they can be removed. 2 water outlets, both on the sides, on each side. Oh yeah. Let's see what's going on inside here. Huge 300 amp ESCs. Bolt-on terminals. We have bolt-on pedestals inside the boat. Here's our push-pull cable steering again. 4082 1650 kV 6-pole motors. Mega torque. Sliding carbon fiber battery trays. Thick, heavy layup. This boat is stronger than anything out there. You are not going to break this in 135, 140 mile an hour crash. This hull is strong. Full carbon fiber servo pedestal. This thing is amazing. Ultra thick hatch. You can see the thick layup right there on the side. This thing ain't playing. Beefy. Stainless steel stuffing tubes. Now let's check out the bottom end of this thing. Included little hatch in case the drivers have to use the restroom. Anti-trip designed right into the sponson. These sponsons have lots of dihedral. A step and a kick up in the back for air release. Water pickups mounted right in the sponson. Another shot of these outdrives. These facilitate our steering cable pedestals. It features V in the belly pan, which actually creates lift because it has a narrow tunnel. Matte satin finish. Like a shark skin, it repels water like no other. As usual, make for the best ready-to-run boats on the market. If you want to do it right, come see Oxidine Marine. This is a true speed run boat, right out of the box, high performance.